Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to revise what we have learned in our last class. Okay? We have learned about the vocabulary words, right? So today we are going to revise the vocabulary words again. Okay? But at first, let's revise this story reading book. All of you have this book with you? If not, then go and bring your story reading book, Tarun and the Bird. Okay? Then we will revise this story book once. How much you have read, okay? We will revise that part first. Okay, now I hope all of you have your storybook with you. Right? Okay, let's start. Everyone point your finger in each and every words, okay? And you have to turn your page slowly. Okay? Okay, let's start. Tarun and the bird. Okay, turn your page slowly. Chirp, chirp. Did you hear that sound? Turn your page. Chirp, chirp. Tarun looks around the room. Turn your page. What does he see? A bird that is hurt. Tarun wants to help. Turn your page. The bird hops into his hand. Her feathers feel so soft. Tarun pulls out the thorn. Turn your page. She tries to fly but cannot. Tarun puts her back in her nest. Turn your page. Buzz, buzz. Bees swarm around Tarun. Turn your page. Bees can sting. Ouch! That hurts. So we have read you have read up to this page, right? Okay. So there are again 5 pages left. So this last 5 pages are your home fun activity for today. Okay? Okay, let's read the last 5 pages. The bird flaps her wings. Shoo! Bees. Tarun runs home to Ma. Turn your page. Something smells nice. Turn your page. Ma has made cookies. Yum! So tasty. Turn your page. He tells Ma all about his day. So, the next 5 pages are your home fun activity for today, okay? Okay. Now, let's revise the vocabulary words. Okay? So, all of you have to make these vocabulary words, okay? All of you have to read these vocabulary words daily. So, I hope all of you have made this, right? Okay. Let's read it. Come. All. A-L-L. All. He. H-E. He. Run. R-U-N. Run. But. B-U-T. But. In. I-N. In. Is. I-S. Is. So. S-O. So. She. S-H-E. She. Can. C-A-N. Can. See. S-E-E. See. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Okay, now next. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. Out. O-U-T. Out. She. S-H-E. She. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. Pull. P-U-L-L. Pull. Heart. H-U-R-T. Heart. Tell. T-E-L-L. Tell. Fill. F-E-E-L. Fill. That. T-H-A-T. That. So, this is the last one. Tasty. T-A-S-T-Y. Tasty. Torn. T-H-O-R-N. Torn. Flap. F-L-A-P. Flap. Wing. W-I-N-G. Wing. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. So, These are the vocabulary words, right? So you have to read this word daily, okay? Okay, so that's all for today. See you in our next class. Bye.